Hello. Today I'm gonna install Docker for the environment to develop Laravel application, which needs some database facilities and along as PHP facilities. So first thing first, we have to go to visit the site docker.com. There you'll find Docker Community Edition, Docker Enterprise Edition also there, but they're paid. We are looking for the free one. Click here and you need to download for a specific operating system. Like if you use Mac, then you have to download it for Mac, or Windows, you need to download it for Windows. After download, you have to install it, and then it's run. Along with here you'll find that icon, then click on it and it will start instantly on your computer, and here there you'll find a small icon. It's a Docker, it's running, starting. Okay, then the second thing actually for Laravel application development only, you need to understand this, the Laradock. You have to Google search for Laradock, and this is their website, Docker and Laravel's documentations, some sort of there is introduction you need to follow. I'm actually followed and set my environment variables, so I'm give you guideline how a quick way you can also set the environment. Okay, first you have to make a directory in your desktop or whatever locations. So this is my folder, this is the folder I just made. Also maybe some work is there, that doesn't matter. This is the folder. You have to go inside that folder and run this command. This one, quick overview. You have to clone this Laradock git into that folder. It will create a folder. After downloading the git, it will create a folder named Laradock ls. You'll find there is a folder called Laradock. It will create this folder. Okay, then it is important to know that you did nothing except after going inside this folder, you just create a git. You just clone a git, it's called Laradock. It will just create that folder, brand new folder. Inside that you'll find a lot of stuff. So let us in that folder. You don't even install the Docker yet, Docker containers yet. Just follow me, it's very simple and easy steps. Okay, in that Laradock folder, the second step, you need to follow the second step, that cp-env example. You need to rename the environment file or copy the environment file in env. Then and after that you need to run that command. Okay, before run this command will install what this command actually say, that docker compose up d, its background, nginx, that is web server, mysql database server, Redis, we don't need this, Nginx, when Nginx install, it will up with PHP versions and including all the dependencies what Laravel needs. So let me show you the env file first before run that command. Inside the social folder there is a folder called Laradock, and we are inside this folder. We already make one env file renaming the example env, and here you'll find two main things. Is the location of your application. This is the location. Actually my application is in parent folder of Laradock. These are the things. This is my setup. I'll set up my application in my parent folder of Laradock, one folder above. However, you can choose your PHP version here if you comments or uncommented. Okay, I choose somehow 5.6, and then you have to go to database settings, mysql. You can name the database, meaning user default, password secret, and this is unchanged. Remember, we are on the environment file of Laradock. Okay, PHP artisan is not available. I mean, sorry, Laravel, we didn't install any Laravel, or we didn't install any Docker. Right now we set up our env file and we'll install Docker right away by type this command. See, we'll type this command inside the Laradock folder. Yeah, this command, it will install the Nginx and MySQL database in your machine right away. However, I already installed it, so I don't need this. After install, that's it. We already done this. Things happen. This command will install the Docker, and right now we have to install the Laravel. Okay, as we did not install the Laravel, we have to install it. The command to install, we have to, before install the Laravel, we have to get inside the container of Docker. We have to paste this message. So no container right now. I need to start all my container. Start my container first. The container is recreating, and then I run the command, go up the Nginx MySQL. It's already run, and this is the command to enter in its container workspace. Actually, workspace bash support. I need the workspace container bash support to install my Laravel, so I need to enter it. So here am I, and if I want to make a Laravel project, I need to run the command, the very known command. You know what? Installation composer, create project, Laravel block, the project name. Okay, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. However, I already installed it, so I don't need this to install. It will install the Laravel application beside the Laradock folder. So however, we need our structure. I'd like to make my structure this way. No, not this way. I'd like to make my install structure look like this. This is my Laradock folder, and my project should be supposed to in parent folder. But in this process, what I show you, we are here Laradock, and inside the Laradock we go to container bash and then run the command. The command will make a folder, project Z or blog folder beside the Laradock. However, after installing that Laravel folder here, project folder, we will make copy paste, cut copy to the root folder in this format. Like we'll extract all the blog folder in the root folder, and Laradock folder is here. Okay, in this format. And we also set the environment file in host mini default. Okay, this is our Laravel's environment, not the Laradock environment. We need to set the Laravel environment, and that's it. We all set. Thanks for watching. I hope you will manage the Laravel project under the Docker platform. Also, I can show you some command. This command is very useful when you start a project after opening your computer. Then you need to fire up your server's container. This command, okay, and this command used to enter the bash of your container. You need to run all this command inside the Laradock folder. And if you need to restart your server, then you need to run this command, docker compose stop, and restart. After this command, you can run this command, docker compose up nginx mysql server. Also, if you need to recreate mysql or maybe some reason you changed or your passwords or your database name, you need to make sure that your mysql server is restart. So you need to recreate, then you have to make this command, docker compose build mysql for recreating. Okay, to list all the service, then docker psa, and to remove all your server, all your containers, docker compose down. It will remove, stop and remove. Okay, we don't need to do this except it's important. However, this is the fact about Docker and Laravel. Thanks for enjoying.